Hello everyone. Want to reuse a design without starting from scratch? In Canva, we can easily copy elements from one design to another. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, we have this existing design that we want to move to a new design. To copy a selected page or multiple pages, we just hold Ctrl and click the pages we want to copy. To add or remove a page from our selection, we simply click it again to deselect it. Once we are happy with our selection, we click the three dots, then click Copy, or use Ctrl+C. Then we go to the new page and press Ctrl+V. The design will paste in exactly as it was. All the edits from the original page will appear on the new page. This is how we copy a design in Canva. Now we can save time and keep our projects consistent across all our work.